Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Adai. Once again, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm doing this video just for the fun of it. I was thinking the other time, I haven't done my hair like I used to do it 8 years ago, 7 years ago. So I'm like, I wonder if like how my hair would look if I do it the way that I used to do it before. Specifically the way that I would curl my hair or waved out my hair. So I was like, why not? Let me just record this and see my reaction of how I look. So if you want to see how I look by the end of this video, then keep on watching. To start off, the way that I would do my hair back then was just with a wand. I think it became like a style, and you will see, you'll find them in the swamp mead, or that's where I got mine from. They would have the little flat irons with matching curling or like wand. I think I got mine for like 20 bucks, and they used to be like $4.60 or something like that. I don't know if I got the original one or not. I have this one with me, and I believe it was about this size, the one that I usually would do my hair with. Yeah, so this is how my hair would end up looking by the end. This is baby Adai. I'm like 50-70 pounds lighter. Life, I guess. And this was dated, let me see, 2014, when I used to dye my own hair. Let's go ahead and do that. I just did a video on this makeup look. I'm trying a new foundation, and so far so good. If you guys want to see that video, I'll link it down below. The way that I used to do my hair wasn't that complicated. It still isn't that complicated the way that I do my hair, but I feel that this technique, I think, is a little more easier. I wouldn't put any product beforehand. No, I don't think so. And then literally like this. This is all I would do. Yep, that's how I just get it. Wow, it's nostalgic. That's how the curls. I burned myself. I'm done with 1/4 of my hair. This is how it looks so far. This is so cute. I haven't done my hair like this in so long. I'll leave this here, and then I'll just do the other side right now. I already explained why I like doing that. I had to go get another clip because it was just being a little too complicated. And this part, everything, so this side I'll just do it away from my face, and the same with the other one, away from my face. Oh, I think I'm gonna need a mirror. Oh, I haven't done my hair in a while. There's a lot going on in my hood. Dogs barking, the paletero, the elotero, a lot. It's a busy neighborhood. The kids, the moscas, everything. It is so pretty. The curls are getting done pretty fast. The fact that I grabbed a piece of hair and I just... Oh, that was muscle memory. I had forgot that I would put my hand behind my head and I would do this for this side. That was muscle memory. You guys got to witness muscle memory. Wow, that's amazing. I don't know if you guys saw at first how I was struggling a little to get comfortable with this side, and right now it's just like out of the nowhere I'm like, oh, this is what you're supposed to do. Oh, so pretty. Okay, I'm getting so excited. This is what we have so far. I'm done with this side. Wait, wait. This is what we have. Oh, I love it. Looks so good. Now let's go with the front. Same thing, grab it and twist it away from my face. Couple seconds. There. That's what I don't have. Wow. I have lashes on. I was like, I'm missing something. I didn't put lashes on. Wow. You know what? Let me put my lashes on. I feel a little bit weird. I've been using these lashes a lot. I really like them. I'm almost out of these lashes. I'll make sure I link them down below. Okay, I have lashes on. What is it? Like something looks weird. But it was just the lashes. So I just curled them a little bit because, again, these specific hairs, I've been using them a few times now, so they're kind of wonky. But other than that, these lashes are so nice. They're your perfect, like, almost everyday lashes for those eyes. Qué bonito. This piece, and we're done with this side. There, voila. And then we have one side done. Este era el peinado de cada fin de semana, cada party, cada boda. I didn't go to a lot of weddings, but this was a hairstyle that I would do for all type of occasions. For, you know, the weekend, I would do this on myself. For parties, for you name it, for everything. Ya me vamos a terminar. This is all that I would do. Last piece from this side, and in general, the last piece. ¿Y ahorita dónde nos vamos? Where should we go? ¿Quién sabe? Just gonna go on my bed and watch TV. Let's go party. Okay, after I'll just, with my hand, I'll just go over them and kind of form what I want it to form. Yeah, just be like that. And then by the time I was out and about, they would fall a little bit. Vámonos de party. These are so bouncy. This is so nice. How shiny and bouncy my hair is. Oh, shoot. I forgot I was recording for a second. I'm just admiring how my hair looks. And this is what we have. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Going back a little bit into my memory lane just to see how I used to do my hair before. It brings back a lot of memories. It's crazy how doing your hair, how you used to do your hair, like, you know, the whole process takes you back into that time for a little bit, and I don't know, it feels good. It brings me great memories of me doing my hair. I just love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like what you're seeing, give this video a thumbs up. It is always greatly appreciated. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you press that notification bell in order to get notified every single time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.